everybody who uses computers today as a tool will need an AI supercomputer. And so I just wish that DGX-1 was smaller. And imagine, ladies and gentlemen, this is NVIDIA's latest AI supercomputer. And it's finally called Project DIGITS right now. And if you have a good name for it, reach out to us. Here's the amazing thing. This is an AI supercomputer. It runs the entire NVIDIA AI stack. All of NVIDIA software runs on this. DGX Cloud runs on this. This sits, well, somewhere, and it's wireless or connected to your computer. It's even a workstation if you like it to be, and you could access it. You could reach it like a cloud supercomputer, and NVIDIA's AI works on it. And it's based on a super secret chip that we've been working on called GB110, the smallest Grace Blackwell